little bit advanced no, sa integral calculus.
So by the way, ang isolve kami is ang gamiton ng trapezoidal rule, which we dali na siya kay that what we learn from integral calculus. Okay? So what is that trapezoidal rule? So ano siya? Few example. Anyway, I will proceed immediately to the next part. It's like this, no? Let's say only kung function. Then you have the lower limit, upper limit. So using trapezoidal rules, what na siya di-connect, no? So we connect A to B. Then by solving now the area of a trapezoid, that is the equivalent to the graph. However, if you notice, bago na siya i-solve, we cannot compute the area na ay wala na appeal. Meaning, kulang yung answer. Okay. So, examination.